If you are looking to make it big with your Etsy shop this year, then you should be looking at selling digital products. And in this video, I will be sharing 11 unsaturated digital products that you can sell on your Etsy shop and start making thousands of dollars. Now, the very first on the list is digital vision board templates. Now, vision boards are actually huge right now, and people love using them. So you can create stylish, customizable templates in Canva. You just need to design a few layouts, save them as PDFs, and boom, you have got a product. Now, these can actually sell for $10 to $20 each, and trust me, the demand is only going to grow this year. Now, the next on the list is printable plant care guide. Now, these are for plant parents looking for ways to keep their plants alive, and now you can create guides for specific plants, including watering schedules, sunlight needs, and troubleshooting tips. These are super easy to make in Canva, and you can sell them for between $5 to $15. Plus, plant lovers are actually really loyal customers. Now, the third on the list is digital meal planner stickers. Now, if you've ever used a planner, you know how fun it is to customize it with stickers, but here is the twist. You can create meal tin stickers. You want to think of icons from breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and even water intake. Now, these are perfect for people who love planning their meals digitally. Now, you can design them in Canva, export as a PNG file, and sell them for between $3 to $10. It's a simple product, but it has very huge potential. Now, the very fourth on the list is social media content calendars. Now, with so many people running small businesses or even personal brands, staying organized is the key. You can create editable content calendar templates for Instagram, TikTok, or even Pinterest. You want to include sections for captions, hashtags, and posting schedules. These are super easy to make in Canva. Canva has a whole lot of templates, and you just want to simply type in social media content calendar, and you can see Canva has a whole lot of templates here, and you can sell them for between $10 to $25. And the best part is you are actually helping people grow their businesses with this. Now, the fifth on the list is digital habit trackers. Now, everyone is trying to build better habits, right? Now, you can create stylish printable habit trackers for things like fitness, for reading, or even screen time. So go ahead to Canva, and you can always simply type habit tracker, and you can make use of font colors, fonts, and sell them as PDFs for $5 to $15. Trust me, this is a huge market. By the way, if you are finding this super helpful, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure to leave a comment on which of these resonates the most with you, and do not forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell icon so YouTube will notify you when next I drop a new video. Now, the sixth on the list is creating custom email signature. Did you know that a professional email signature can make a huge difference? Yes, it can. And you can create sleek, customizable templates. You can make use of Canva to bring out a lot of templates that you can work with. These are perfect for freelancers, entrepreneurs, professionals. And when you create them, you can sell them for between $10 to $20, and you will be surprised how many people are actually looking for this. Now, the seventh of the list is digital party invitation. Whether it's birthdays, baby showers, or weddings, people are looking for unique invitations. You can see beautiful templates that Canva has, and you can sell these PDFs or PNG files for about $8 to $20. And the best part is you can create one design and sell it over and over again. Number 8 is printable kids activity pack. Now, parents are always looking for ways to keep their kids entertained, and you can create packs with coloring pages, puzzles. These are super easy to make in Canva, and you can sell them for about $5 to $15. Plus, you can create seasonal packs for like holidays. You want to think of Halloween, you want to think of Christmas, or even summer break. Now, the ninth on the list is digital budget planners. Now, with the rising cost of living, more people are looking for ways to manage their money, and you can create budget planner templates. You can have sections for expenses, savings, and even goals. Now, these are perfect for Canva, and you can sell them between $10 to $25. And let us be real, budgeting is never going to go out of style. Now, number 10 on the list is creating custom LinkedIn banner templates. LinkedIn is becoming more visual, and people want to stand out. Now, you can create professional, eye-catchy banner templates that users can simply customize with their own text and photos. Now, these are simply easy to make in Canva. You want to simply just type in the name, LinkedIn banner, and of course, Canva will give you a lot of designs where you can customize and of course sell as templates. And you can sell them for about $5 to $15. It is a small product, but it has a lot of potential. The 11th on the list is digital recipe book. With the rise of food bloggers and home cooks, recipe books are in demand. You want to create ebooks like maybe 30-minute vegan meals or gluten-free desserts and design them in Canva. You can see Canva has a lot of beautiful templates. You can customize any of this and sell this as PDFs for about $10 to $30. And the best part is you can even include affiliate links to kitchen tools for extra income. You want to leverage on either Amazon affiliate marketing or Temu affiliate marketing. Now, the earning potential of these digital products are great, and since these are digital products, you can sell them an unlimited number of times. So imagine selling 100 units of a $10 product. That is $1,000 in passive income. And with Etsy's global reach, the sky is literally the limit. All you need is Canva and an Etsy account. I'm going to be attaching a video on how you can create kids coloring book. I'm going to be leaving it here so you can click on it and check that out.